Good afternoon. We're in Long Creek, Oregon, driving south on 395. And this is the first big town we've seen in 60, 70 miles, I bet. They got a general store, gas station. I think they had a motel maybe, and that's about it. Wow. Not much here. Jeez. And we're getting to Chain-Up area. So Fox, Oregon is in 8 miles. Mount Vernon, 30. Yeah. Long Creek, check it out on the Google Maps. I don't know if you can get more desolate than that. I want to say it's like 60 miles in any direction to get to anything, and even then it's not much. Like, it's very desolate here. Looks like we're going back up in the mountains though. Oh, I should have pulled over. They had cell service. Maybe find a place I'll pull over. I had that Chain-Up area back there. Oh, and we're getting some sunshine, so I think the smoke is clearing to the south. Valley that town is in. Little Oasis. Rest area, 1 mile. We will pull over there if we got cell service. Figure out if there is any place to camp in this area. Ooh, pull over right here. Let me do that. All right, I'll be right back. Well, I finally got my apps working, and there's not a lot of camping in the area, it looks like. So we are gonna keep going south. There's a rest area coming up in a mile. I was gonna eat my sandwich.
Or he is in the Ponchier. There has been
along the road, and I'm like, you know what? I would like to sit at a picnic area
around the Ponchier, and then
guidance will start now. Proceed 27 miles on Pendleton John Day Highway.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna plan on stopping in Burns. Hopefully we can find a spot there somewhere. Unless I find something before then. I can smell the smoke here, so I really do want to try and get out of it. It's not horrible, but it's always good when you don't smell it. I also want to try and log into my YouTube studio if I have cell service at this picnic area. I really hope I do. It's not looking good though. We'll check it out. What was that?
In 300 feet, turn right and then turn right.
Yeah, no service. I might just eat somewhere. I don't like eating in the truck.
Turn left.
Not much of a picnic area. I think it had one nice picnic table and a vault toilet, it looks like. Not much else to choose from. We'll stop here. Well, we are leaving the little rest area, and I ate my sandwich I bought
26 miles on Pendleton John Day Highway.
when I got diesel in Washington. But I got my computer out, and I finally had cell service enough that I used my phone as a hotspot and was able to look at my YouTube, and I do have those 3 bike trails up. I don't have, I'm not sure I have the 5-minute video at the Railroad Bridge Park, but I know I have the files copied to the hard drive, external hard drive, if I made the files, the other files. So I feel good. I didn't delete anything, you know, that I needed, so I'm very happy. But yeah, there's not a lot of campgrounds in this area. I wonder if you get off on the Forest Service roads, but I don't really want to. I don't like camping in these forests, I don't think. I'd rather be in open areas. You know, I at least want to be able to see what's around me if I'm at a camp like that. Which is where I'm going, is more like that. I think maybe someday I'll try a forest like this. I don't know. But our ETA for Burns is now 6:30. There's a couple RV parks there if I have to stay at. If I can't find a place I can camp for free. Surely it wouldn't be that much if I just need a parking spot, basically. But we'll see what happens. There might be some truck stop there too, but I don't want to park it. I don't want to camp at a truck stop. Not with this. We'll figure something out. I mean, maybe I'll drive farther south later than I think. It's really, the service is really slow, the service I did have. It was hard to get the apps on my phone to work very fast. But this is Long Creek Mountain Summit, 5,000 feet. That's the tallest summit we went over. Oh, like right behind me, I think there was a spot off of the road. I am hoping to get out of the smoke though still. I still am hoping this is not from California or Oregon. I can't believe I've driven 181 miles since I got diesel. It just doesn't seem that far. Like, so we are leaving the Mahler National Forest. Definitely a lot of forest in eastern Oregon that you don't think about. Dry forest. It's so weird seeing the small trees when you've been in the Cascade Mountain Range or the Olympics, you know, and you get the massive trees. Wow, there's a big valley up ahead. high desert. Almost forgot to turn the air on. I wish we could see better. Well, just in case you're wondering, this is what it looks like when there's wildfires. Pretty smoky. So this is Fox, Oregon. And we're going to end this video. Thanks for watching.